Let's start to talk about benefits language essays, and I give you some practical tips how to use these communication methods in practice. First of all, the benefits language is a kind of communication method that we try to find, first of all, some feature of a product and then change this kind of feature into potential advantages, and after that change them all into potential benefits. It sounds crazy, isn't it? In fact, according to my observation, we have many difficulties using this kind of communication techniques in practice. But in the meantime, I invite you to read my article about benefits language essays.